ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमो सद्गुरु तुकया नमो सद्गुरु सच्चिदानंद रूपा नमो सद्गुरु भक्त कल्याण मूर्ति नमो सद्गुरु भास्करा पूर्ण कीर्ति संपाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। रामकृष्ण हरि। In today's Abhanga, Tukaram Maharaj is saying that whatever I have been thinking, whatever I have made special request to God, special prayer to God, that today fructified and I became one with that God. Narayan, I attained Narayan today. Whatever I was thinking and whatever I was making special offering, Navasa, that today is fructified. And in last stanza he says, Krupaya Keli Santajani. Because of this Santa Mahatma, I came to know about you and I am today my life is fulfilled. This is in gist what Tukaram Maharaj is going to say. Today is the 26th day of our Chintanam. Very soon we are going to end our Adhik Mas Chintanam. We will begin something new, interesting. Hoto te chintita manasi, hoto te chintita manasi, navas phalale navasi, navas phalale navasi, Gurti Narayana aisi, Gurti Narayana aisi, Avita jasi nashanai, Avita jasi nashanai, Avita jasi nashanai, 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 Darine jeeve na sodi paya, Darine jeeve na sodi paya. Very karunamay tune is there. Hoto te chintita manasi. Whatever I had been or I have been thinking, hoto te, hoto means past tense. Before something I was doing chintanam in my mind. I was not telling people what I am doing. Difference between us and Tukaram Maharaj, we will tell first what we are doing. If we go to pranayama, we will tell everybody I am doing pranayama. We will put status and all. Tukaram Maharaj says, I was doing chintanam in my mind. I did not tell anybody what I am doing. Unlike us, the moment we go here, there, we will put first DP and all everything. We want to disclose, share everything with people. Tukaram Maharaj, he was doing externally outer different thing, but internally he was thinking about God. When I will get this God, when I will realize, when he will be one with me, that I was thinking in my mind. Chintanam. Hoto te chintita manasi. And I was doing Navasa for this. Navasa means special request to Bhagwan. If you give me this, I will do that. Like that, so many Ganpatis are there. Navasa. If you say something, if you ask something from that God will give you something, whatever you ask, but you have to do something for that God. If I say, give me one child to Siddhi Vinayak, our Dadar Siddhi Vinayak, then if you make a right proposal to God, request to God, then God will say, Tatha Astu, Tatha Astu, and you will get a son. Now what you have to do? You have to give food to so many people. That is called Navasa. You ask something, you get it, and again you reciprocate with something else. Tukaram Maharaj says, I was doing Navasa. I was making special request to God all the time, and I was thinking about Lord only. And what happened? Navasa Phadale. And whatever I was asking to God, that fructified. Whatever I was asking, that is fulfilled by God. And what was that? Jodite Narayana Aisi. And continuously I was thinking about God, and I was asking only one thing, that is God. If you think about our thinking, we will all the time think about world, objects and people, and ask only different things. Our Navasa, special request, they are also for something else. But Tukaram Maharaj is saying, I was doing everything for you, Lord, and that is why I got you. Here one psychological or very important thing, whatever you think, it will come to you today or after some day. We don't know that, the time period, but whatever you think and for whatever cause you do, it will come to you. This is logic, because your actions, your efforts, they will not go in vain. That is why Tukaram Maharaj is giving some good point. Whatever you think, you will get it. And he is approving that I was thinking and I got it. I was thinking about God, I got God. If you want nice iPhone, you think about it. From somewhere that arrangement God will do, and it will fall in your lap. Same way, you have to think about that. But thinking should be how? Eka Chintanam. Continuously thinking about that and working for that also. Only thinking will not give you that thing. So you have to work also accordingly. Tukaram Maharaj was thinking about God and doing Chintanam, Nama Japa, everything, all actions, all supportive, auxiliary actions for that only. So he got it. Jodite Narayana I see. Jodi means that labha. I attained that Narayana. And how is that Narayana? Avita. That love, interest for that thing will never go away. That is called Avita. Vit means disinterested. If I have lot of interest in laptop, after 1 month, 2 months, I will lose that interest in laptop. It is called Vita. Laptop is Vit. Paramatma is Avita. That is why Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Avitage Maya Vitena. Avitage Maya Vitena. You are imperishable. That taste for you, interest in you will never go away. But Zavali Ahe Paribhetena. That happiness is within me and it is unchanged. It will never change, but I am not able to get it, that happiness. Tukaram Maharaj says, Avita. This Paramatma or interest in this Paramatma, I will never lose. You know, some shows are there, entertaining shows or web series. No matter how many times you see, you will enjoy that web series. Like that, you will never feel disinterested about that thing. Same way, God is like that. If you develop interest towards that God, you will never feel enough of God now. But for all worldly thing, one day you will say, enough of this now. But this Paramartha, Paramatma, you will never say enough. That is called Avita. Nasha Nahi. Some things are Avita, but they have Nasha. Like if I love samosa too much or pizza. Let us take some advanced example. If I love pizza, I will eat 10, 20, I will eat. Avita, but it is perishing. There is only one thing in this creation, in this universe, which is Avita and na nasha. Nasha nahi. Avita jasi. One who never, charm. Avita means charm. That charm will never go away. And nasha, it will not have end point ever. That is Paramatma. That Lord Narayana I got. You see now, he is telling Narayana. When we think about Narayana, we feel that Shankha, Chakra, Gada and everything. Here you see how that Narayana is without Upadhi. In yesterday talk we said Gunavanta ani Nirguna. Paramatma is with attributes and attributeless also. Tukaram Maharaj is saying, now I have attributeless Paramatma, Nirgun Nirakara Paramatma with me, for whom there is no avita, there is no vita, disinterest, or it will not lose charm anytime. That Paramatma will give me happiness all the time, and Nasha Nahi, no destruction for Paramatma. Very beautiful next stanza. Dharile jeeve na sodi paaya, dharile jeeve na sodi paaya, adya jeevit vaate kaya, adya jeevit vaate kaya, kahe pavi deti thaya. Now I have attained you, or now I know your real nature, which is imperishing and will never lose charm, unchanging or non-changing nature I have understood. Now what I will do? Dharile. Now I am holding on to your feet, your Swarupa. I will never lose it. If you see last stanza of previous Abhanga, Tukaram Maharaj said, Jiva vegale na kari tuka. Now you don't separate me from that Paramatma. And today Tukaram Maharaj is saying, now I will not separate you from me. Both way it is possible. If you don't follow and listen to God properly, then God will say, how many times should I tell you? How many times should I teach you? Now you see on your own, you are not listening to me. And one day I will say, I am not going to listen God now. Now I will follow my mind. Now I will follow my own desires. Tukaram Maharaj says, you don't separate me from you, and I will also not separate myself from you. Both responsibilities are there. I have to do my part, then Bhagavan will do his part neatly. We need not tell Bhagavan you should do. He knows everything. I have to do it diligently. That's all. Dharile jive na sodi paya. I am not going to give up or desert your feet, O Lord. Aleya jivitvache kaya. Jivitva means finitude and unnecessary giving lot of importance to this personality, desires of this personality. That is what in front of you, O Lord. Aleya jivitvache kaya. What difference does it make in front of this personality, your nature? In different way I will tell. What is the value of my interest or my desires or my things about this personality in front of you, O Lord? This is perfect. Aleya jivitvache kaya. Now I will not give up you. I will give up my own desires, my own likes and dislikes for you. What is the great importance of my likes and dislike in front of you? I will not give up you. Our thing is what? I will do whatever I want. I won't listen to Bhagavad Gita. I won't listen to Upanishad. Whatever my mind or inner voice says, I will do that. Tukaram Maharaj says, no, no, no. I will do whatever you say. Dharile jive na sode pan. And jivitva means that finitude. And because of finitude, karma and ichha. So many desires are there. Innumerable desires are there. But I will keep aside all desire and do whatever you say. Why? Kai he pavizeti paya. Somehow I able to manage your feet in my heart. And now if I drop this body or after this janma, when will I get you to experience in my heart? You see, now he is telling business to us. What is the profit, what is the loss? I have to think. I give up God. Okay, I give up God for small happinesses. And Tukaram Maharaj says, for you, O Lord, I will give all happiness. All small joys I will give for you. Because I will never get your feet, your nature to experience in my mind. Other than human birth, all yonis, they are not capable or able or eligible to experience Lord, Bhakti and Brahma. Only this. That is why I will do what is precious in this life, what is only for this life. I can get to experience all other things in any life. Like I want to enjoy pizza. A dog also can enjoy pizza. But dog cannot realize or enjoy the Bhakti and Brahma Swarupa. That is why I will do what? By that way I will get your feet. That only I will do. And I will not give up your feet. Because in this body only, verily in this body only, I will be able to see you, experience you. That is why. And how this has happened? Lavili soya sanchitane. My sanchit, earlier karma was there. Because of that karma, I got to see you, O Lord. The sanchita has to be there. Now you will complain, oh, that is why I am not able to see God, because sanchita is not there. Tukaram Maharaj said, now you start producing that sanchit karma. It will fall into that account and slowly that karma will come to you. So we have to build up, we have to work upon karma, punya karma. That punya karma will make me, I will see God. That punya karma will prompt me towards God. Okay. Tukaram Maharaj is now saying, confessing, before realization, I was in delusion. Okay, I was in illusion. That Tukaram Maharaj is confessing. मज तो पडीली होती भूली, मज तो पडीली होती भूली, चित्ताची अपसंव्य झाली, चित्ताची अपसंव्य झाली, होते मृग जळे गोवी केली, होते मृग जळे गोवी केली, दृष्टी उघडली बरवे झाले, दृष्टी उघडली बरवे झाले, दृष्टी उघडली बरवे झाले, बरवे झाले, बरवे झाले, धरले जीवेन सोडी पाय, धरले जीवेन सोडी पाय. मज तो पडली होती भुली. Bhuli means Brahma. Brahma. What was Brahma? Happiness is outside. This world is real. That was my Brahma, misconception or error or delusion. That was my problem. Bhuli means that problem, hallucination. Okay, hallucination. That Brahma, Bhuli. मज तो पडली होती. Now that Brahma is not there. Now Brahma has gone. I know I am Brahma. I know Jagat is Mithya. This now knowledge is there. Earlier delusion was there. चित्ताची अपसव्य चाली. I was thinking happiness is there in object, people and place. This was my Brahma. And today, and because of that Brahma, my mind was thinking erroneously. See, the way you have convictions and determination in your mind, same way you will work. If you are in Brahma, in delusion, that time you will work totally different from the way you are supposed to work, way you are supposed to act. Tukaram Maharaj says the same thing. Chittachi apasavya chali. Apasavya means in wrong way I was going, because I was thinking wrong and going wrong way. Chittachi apasavya chali. If my mind says listen to bhajan and kirtana, my mind will say no, let us watch movie. Movie is better than bhajan and kirtana. This is called apasavya chali. If my mind says don't eat, what is prohibited by Shastra, my mind will crave for that kind of eating. Chittachi apasavya chali. And hoti mrugajale govi keli. Mrugajale means that happiness which is surfacing on this object, people and person, that was not allowing me to go towards God. Vedanta Paramartha will say give up this, that. Why? Because my mind is fascinated by that thing. Then how that mind will go towards Lord? It will never go. That is why they say give up this, give up that, and go towards Lord. Mayyar pita mano buddhi. And that buddhi and mind also you give up to me. Then you will be equal, one with me. Hoti mruga jale. Mruga jale means that mirage water in English. That water is not there but it appears. That is called mruga jala. Same way happiness is not there but it appears. And that appearing happiness never allowed me to go towards Lord. He is telling his past history. Okay, I was in delusion, I was doing some wrong thinking, my mind was thinking erroneously, and because of that surfacing happiness, I could not go towards real happiness. Now barve zhale. Now thank God, barve zhale means now good has happened. Drushti ugadali. My vision is now clear. My sight is now clear. My goal is now clear. I know what to do. If you ask anybody, what is your goal? He will say, I don't know. I never thought about my goal. I was just doing what other people are doing or what my family members are telling. Now that person has two goals. To figure out what is his goal, and second is how much time and efforts are required to achieve that goal. This is very important thing. Tukaram Maharaj says, Drushti ugadali. My vision is clear now. Now there is no Brahma. Brahma went away, vanished. Same way, I am body and world is real. These two Brahmas are there. If that goes, then your Drushti, you have Jnana Netra now. Divine eyes you have now. For that, divine eyes is the goal. Divine vision is the goal of life. Drushti ugadali barve zhali. Now Tukaram Maharaj is saying, now I have understood what is the goal of life and what is the vision of life. Now nothing should obstruct my vision, my journey. This is Tukaram Maharaj is praying in next stanza. Whatever bhava, whatever conviction I have about you and my goal, now that should end up with a successful result. Whatever bhava I have now, that should end up in successful result. Ataha siddhi pavo bhavo, ataha siddhi pavo bhavo, madhe chanchalya na bhava jiva, madhe chanchalya na bhava jiva, means after opening up my drishti, jnana netra, after fixed or having fixed my vision and goal, now siddhi pavo bhava. Now I should, whatever bhava, conviction, determination I have in my mind, that should fructify. Siddhi means fructify. Fructification of that bhava should happen. Ata siddhi pavo ha bhava. Why he is praying? Now goal is decided. He is going to walk on that. Now why he is again praying to God? Reasoning he is giving. Madhye chanchalya na bhavaji. Beautiful. We say from today I will do Haripata or I will do Gita Paranam every day. Yes, bhava is ready and you are going to walk on that. Madhye chanchalya bhava jiva. My mind will start flickering. My mind will start doing sankalpa vikalpa. What sankalpa? More vikalpa. What I will get if I do chanting of Gita? What will I get if I do Namasmaranam? And I will stop doing that. Peculiar thing is, first thing we will drop is spirituality. Between world and spirituality, if anything comes to drop something, then first I will drop spirituality. This is worst case. That is why Tukaram Maharaj says, I have decided my goal. I have started walking also on that goal. Now my bhava, my mind should not be shaky. I should not lose interest in my goal. We all learn and study. I will do engineering. Okay, I do. In 4th year, I lose that interest. Whatever I have been doing and I was going to get, I lose interest in that. And then I do something else. So that should not happen. My mind should not come back from my goal. That is why we say now, no going back. If I have decided, I will walk. Okay, whether I will die or die, but I will do that. No coming back. I see tumha bhakata se Q. This Q means I am requesting you, humble request to you again and again. I see tumha bhakata se Q. Again and again I am requesting you. Why? Krupaluva Jagadaniya. You are the compassionate one. The compassion you have, nobody has that kind of compassion. Jagadaniya, you are taking care of all this whole world. How will you let go of me? Krupaluva. Krupalu, you are the ocean of compassion. That is why I am again and again telling you, my mind should not come back from my goal and from you, O Lord. Ata Siddhi Pav. Now this should result in success. Second last stanza. Kalo yete apule buddhi. Kalo yete apule buddhi. Aise to na ghade kadi. Aise to na ghade kadi. Evade aaghat te madi. Evade aaghat te madi. Lajjarite ube aadhake. Lajjarite ube aadhake. Lajjarite ube aadhake. 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 Darile jeevera sodipaya. Darile jeevera sodipaya. कळो येते आपले बुद्धी ऐसे तो न घडे कधी. In past, my mind was flickering, and now also little bit disturbance is there at mind level. Now I don't know in future what disturbances, what obstacles I will be facing. कळो येते आपुले बुद्धी ऐसे तो न घडे कधी. Apule buddhi means my mind or my intellect will be able to trace what is going to happen in future. I don't know. What future? Next moment after this pravachanam, what will happen to me? I don't know. Tukaram Maharaj is saying, Apule buddhi kalo yate. ऐसे तो कधी न घडे. Never this will happen. I will be able to predict what is going to happen. एवढे आघाततेमध्ये, and I am sure so many hindrances, hurdles will be there on my way. श्रेयांसी बहुविघ्नानि. If you are going to commit a bad thing or sin, it will happen easily. But if you want to do good things, merits, acquire merits in your life, punya karma, then weakness will come. एवढे आघातते मधी. And what is that विघ्न? लज्जा and रिद्धी आड उभी ठाके. Lajja means I will hesitate to accept that I am Brahma. If I come and tell you you are Brahma, you will say no, I am not Brahma. If I tell you you are the source of happiness, no, I am not happiness, I am miserable person. This is called lajja. Lajja means I am not ready to accept that. Okay, lajja means here different way. Lajja means shyness, we say. It is not like that. Or sometimes, I don't go to bhajan because what people will say. I don't listen to discourses, what people will say. I don't, I don't wear tilakam on my forehead, what people will say. I don't, have mala, what people will say. This is called lajja. I am afraid about people, public opinion. That is going to obstruct your vision. Having understood Paramatma is my goal, who is going to obstruct my journey? That lajja, hesitation, accepting, confessing, acknowledging what is my real nature, that is called lajja. I won't accept that. And riddhi. Riddhi means samruddhi, amenities, prosperity that will affect my journey. Oh Lord, that is why I don't know what is going to come in my life, but I am sure problems will be there, and these are the main problems, lajja and samruddhi. We all feel prosperity is good. Okay, prosperity. Tukaram Maharaj says prosperity is a hindrance, it is a hurdle. You see how he is thinking. Shreyas and preyas, between good and pleasure. Prosperity means pleasure, samruddhi means pleasure, and shreyas means good in that. Something greater than prosperity also. That prosperity is also a hindrance in my life. Okay. Now Tukaram Maharaj is acknowledging, confessing that Santa Mahatma did Krupa. And what is the nature of that Krupa? We all feel God's Krupa in different way, Santa Mahatma's Krupa in different way. Today you see how Tukaram Maharaj is saying what is Krupa. Santa Jani Santa Jani, this Santa Mahatma showered their grace on me. Krupaya keli Santa Jani. Mazi alankari livani. First Krupa of Santa Mahatma, your speech, it will have, sacred words, not ordinary words. First sign of coming Santa Mahatma in our life is, I will have, my language will change. One great Mahatma says, मिला है जिनको सतगुरु पुरा, उनकी वाणी बदल गई. The one who has got perfect master, one who has received Lord in his life, his vani, vacha will change. I will not say laukik words, I will say alaukik words. Beautiful bhava. What is Lord Bhagwan's Krupa? I will not talk about food, cloth and shelter. I will talk about mind, consciousness, Chaitanya, Paramatma. These things I will talk. My language will change. This is the first sign of Krupa of Sant Mahatma. Maji Alankarili, they have ornamented my language. My language is now higher world language, not ordinary language. And what second thing they did? Lavili Kirtani Priti. They created love for Kirtanam in my heart. That inner interest for Kirtanam and Bhajanam, that Santa Mahatma has inculcate on my mind. Priti hai lavili Kirtani. Now what I am doing? Tuka charani lolatase. Now I am lotanganam. Now I am rolling on this earth in front of you. Means I am so happy. In chatting we say lol or roll, like rolling on laughter floor. This is that. Tuka charani lolatase. Now I am taking lotanganam. I am prostrating you, obeisance to you now on your feet. Tuka charani lolatase. Tuka charani lolatase. Now Tukaram Maharaj says, I am prostrating on your feet again and again. Why? Because Santa Mahatma did Krupa to me and they ornamented my language. They created or they ignited love for Kirtanam in my heart. That is why I am very happy. And you see, Tukaram Maharaj says, God didn't do that. Santa Mahatma did that. So there is much more importance for Santa Mahatma than God in Varkari tradition. Or in other tradition also, that Santa Mahatma, they have more importance than God. Because they did my all work. For me, they worked hard. And I have achieved that Paramatma, which I was thinking, and which for that Paramatma I was doing personal requested, special request I was doing. That today is in front of me. In fact, that I am right now. So now again and again I am prostrating, O Santa Mahatma, unto you. Beautiful Abhanga. Now I will not give up you, O Lord. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pundalika Varada Sri Hari Vitthal Sri Dhyanadev Tukaram. पंडरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगत गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु स्वामी चिन्मयानंद महाराज की जय. राम कृष्ण.